I'm a boy. I'm a boy. Just don't. But don't say I'm a girl. I may have this, but I'm a boy.
Walang
Lalabas!
Venus, walang
Well, you know, that's my father. Say hi. And I reveal my mother in just part 2, okay? So guys, bye! See you again in the next part. But wait, I hope you have a good day.